Hello everybody, let's talk about today angles in their measures. We will be talking about angle addition postulate and also how to find use algebra to find your angle of measurements and all that good stuff. Okay, what is an angle? You can tell up here this is an angle. I'm gonna do that one. This is an angle right there. Okay, the angle is ABC, and it consists two rays, different rays, and one common endpoint. This endpoint is called vertex. These rays are called sides. This is interior of angle, that's exterior of angle. If I wanna name these angles, I would say angle A, I would say angle 1, I would say angle BAC, and I would say angle CAB. A has to be in the middle, and you can tell A is in the middle. So this is supposed to be going in this order. Okay. Now, if the question is asking, for example, I'm going to make another angle, like really quick, if I can. Okay, this is gonna go right there, and I hope it goes good. And then one more right there in the middle. No, I go all the way right here. Okay, so this is a angle that I have. For example, this is P, this point is M, up here is N, up here is Q, and I can say this is 1 and that's 2. Now the question is asking, for example, the question is asking how many different angles are in the diagram. How many different angles are in the diagram? So I can say, by the way, this is N. Okay. How many angles are in the diagram? I have angle 1, I have angle 2, I have angle MPQ. Do you see? MPQ, P is in the middle. That's why P is in the middle. Now, I can also say QPM, or you can say QPM. Either way, it's good. Now, what is acute angle? Acute angle is always less than 90 degree. If I have a right angle equal 90 degree, I have obtuse angle less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. Okay, then we have a straight angle. We have a straight angle is equal 180, and the straight angle looks like this. Okay, this is an angle that's, for example, point D, and I'm making an angle that's 180, just a half of it. Now, the congruent angles, if I would say the angles, like I'm gonna make some angles, let's go down. If I make angle, this one, this is 30, that's angle A, and I would say that's B. They are not on scale, guys. This is 30 degree too. So angle A is congruent to angle B. Or I can write measure of angle A is equal measure of angle B. You see that? The difference? Okay. Now, and sometimes they will write these arcs, right? For example, I make this arc right there, and I have the same thing here, then it means they are congruent, they have the same measurements. If I have like two arcs, and again the same thing, they are the same. But if I have different lines, then they are not congruent. Okay, now angle addition postulate. Let's do that. Angle addition postulate. For example, I'm making an angle, and I have one right there. I would say This is P, A, B, and this is C. So if this is the case, and I would say angle, that one, I can make this, I can make these two. You see, it means this this angle, like these two angles are not the same, right? This is one arc, that's two arc, so their measurements is not the same. So what does angle postulate means? It's exactly the same like we did segment addition, segment addition postulate, like we did that. Two segments making the whole one segment. So it would be ABP in measurement of angle ABP, and do you see the B is in the middle? Plus, excuse me, measurement of angle PBC equal measurement of angle ABC. You see that? The small, these two angles, the small ones are making ABC. It's right there. I can do different colors if it would make sense, like ABP. See, green one is ABP. I'm gonna make it darker so you can see it. There, this is ABP, and I'm gonna make this also in green. So this means I'm talking about this angle ABP. Now, this PBC, for example, this is in red. I can go with it. There. PBC is supposed to be in brown or red. I don't know what that color is. Okay, there, PBC. Together, they will make ABC angle. Okay. Circle. Let's talk about circle. If I have a circle right there, the measurement of the circle is always 360. Why? You see the straight angle was 180. So if I make one more, this is also 180. 180 plus 180 will give me 360. Just wanted to make sure you know that. Okay, let's do this one application, question right there. If DEG is a right angle, DEG is a right angle, and you can see that's a right angle, find measurement of angle DEF and angle FEG. I'm going to use that angle postulate here. Okay, so how do we use angle postulate? We know this angle, let's try this angle DEF, right there, DEF. So angle, measurement of angle DEF plus, okay, let's try green, and I have green right there. They are sharing that EF, by the way. EFG, measurement of angle EFG is equal DEG. The measurement of angle DEG. Got it? Okay. Now let's, whatever we know, plug it in. DEF is equal 3x plus 5 plus EFG. Do you see F? I did this wrong. FEG. E is supposed to be in the middle. E is supposed to be in the middle. And this is supposed to disappear. So that's FEG. Okay, FEG. E is supposed to be in the middle. Okay, so this one is 10x minus 6, and I'm going to put them in parentheses, equal, what is DEG? DEG, you can tell it's 90 degree, and they are telling me it's a right angle. So right angle means that's a 90 degree. So this is equal 90 degree. Let's figure it out. If we know the x, then we can plug in x here, and we can find the angle measurements. So let's find x. Now I have 3x plus 5 plus 10x minus 6 equal 90. This is an equation. Like terms, like terms. 10 plus 3 will give me 13x. 5 subtract 6 will be 1 in 90. You know, 1 and 9 is supposed to be combining, so opposite operation because that 1 is jumping over the equal sign. 13x equal 91. Now 13 divide 91 divide by 13. So I'm going to divide 13 both sides. Let's use a calculator and see what is 91 divided by 13 will give me 7. So x is equal 7. You know this is not my answer because the question is asking find the measurement of angle DF, measurement of angle FEG. So I have to plug in that everywhere. So let's use our colors. 3x plus 5. And I'm going to plug in that 7 there. 3, 7 plus 5. 21 plus 5 will give me 26. So this angle is 26. Okay, got it? Degrees. Now what about this one? That one is 10x minus 6. So I'm going to plug in 7 there. 10 times 7 minus 6. 70 minus 6 will give me 64. So that angle is 64 degrees. There you go. Okay, so that's how we use angle postulate. So let's review really quick what we learned today. Angles and their measurements. We know what angle is. It has two different rays. It has a vortex, and we also has to name it, like whatever angle goes in the middle, it has to be in the middle. Like we named all of them. We should know all about acute, right angle, obtuse, and straight angles. Angle addition postulate, which means it's two small angles adding up and making this huge big like a segment. So this is the question that we just did. Have a good day, guys, and subscribe and please like my video. I appreciate that. Bye.